Let's now start the first performance of the evening, the choir. The Notaswarams are a set of 39 compositions by Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar in Shankarabharanam Ragam. They are notable as an interaction between the East and West, being based on Western sources. It is believed that Muthuswami Dikshitar composed these pieces specifically to help his younger brother, Baluswami, to master plain notes on the violin, making them one of music history's most loving sibling gifts. We are going to listen to 10 compositions from this beautiful collection, composed by Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar in Ragam Shankarabharanam and Tyagaraja in Ragam Suposini and Sri M.V. Shastri in Ragam Kamas. The students will sing songs set to Rupakam, Adi and Ekatalams.
This will be followed by Geetamala and Swarajati. The Geetams are set to various ragams like Malahari, Suddha Saveri, Mohanam, Kalyani, Kamboji and Ananda Bhairavi. We will finish the segment with Raravenu, a Swarajati set to Bilahari Ragam and Aditalam composed by Sri P.S. Iyer. The Geetams will be set to Adi, Rupakam and Tisra Triputa Talams and compositions by Sri Purandara Dasar and Sri P.G. Sastri. Before we begin the choir presentation, a humble request to our dear audience. While the students are performing, we kindly request you to avoid moving in and out the auditorium. It can be distracting for these young performers. We also request everyone to please maintain silence during the performances. Thank you so much for your understanding and support. For this choir, we have the following instrumentalists. Harmonium, we have Ameya. Anya on geoshred. Violin, we have Ananta. Mridangam, Siddharth. And Avyaya on the veena. We would also like to extend a warm welcome to Srimati Aparna Balaji for gracing the occasion. Welcome, ma'am.
जयति सकल जीव समता साधु साधु विदिता सकल जीव समता साधु साधु विदिता अखिल लोक प्रदिता परमानंद समुदिता अखिल लोक प्रदिता परमानंद समुदिता जयति जयति भारत माता कुलगीता
Great job, students and the accompanying artists. I would like to thank the participants in the choir for their impeccable and sincere rendition after hours of practice. I would like to read out the names. On the choir, we have Vivan, Kavya, Danush, Shravya, Maya, Ananya, Nilanya, Sudhir, Laya, Isha, Shravya, Aditri, Stuti, Maulya, Sahana, Tanvi, Dhanya, Siddhida, Anushka, Shanvi, Anika, Akshaya, Lalita, Nishka, Riya, Janvi, Anika, Vedharth, Amrita, Ahana, Angaya, Akshara, Varun, Nakshatra, Vishwa, Vindhya, Vibha, Navomi, Swaksh, Kirtana, Siddhant, Ameya, Anya, Megha, Alaya, Vaiga, Shravya, Saumya, Pavitra, Deepika, Meenakshi, Shrihita, Adit, Atulya, and Veda. Let's give them a huge round of applause to our students who have spent hours practicing together, and kudos to our Guru Srimati Uma Shankar for making them practice, and of course all the accompanying artists adding a lot of grandeur to the program. As they take a moment to disperse, Srividya and I would like to quickly remind you all of a few house rules and etiquette. We kindly request your cooperation with the following. Yeah, you can start dispersing, kids. At this time, I would also like to shout out to the AV decorators, Aishwarya Neelam Raju. As you can see, the venue has been beautifully decorated, both on stage and outside as well. So big round of applause to AV decorators, Aishwarya Neelam Raju. So before we start the house rules, we also notice a lot of folks standing in the auditorium. So please don't stand in the auditorium and take your position, because there is special fire code rule that we don't want to violate and fine ourselves at the venue. So kindly take your seat whenever or as quick as possible, so we avoid this fine and penalty on us and the school, please. And the next two group performances, please stay on stage. The next two group performances. So the house rules, please pay attention. Eating and drinking is prohibited inside the auditorium. Please do not litter anywhere in the auditorium premises. If you have your own snacks for younger kids, please give them outside the auditorium. Please collect your dinner tokens from your group admin, coordinator for dinner, and kindly ensure that you are able to stay for the entire program. Please be mindful of the door volunteers, and people can enter in and out of the auditorium only between the performances and not during the performances, please. Please do not leave your footwear anywhere near the stage, and leave them at your seat or at the backstage before you come up on stage to perform. Snacks will be available for purchase up to 5 p.m. in the hallway. And remember to return to your seats without disrupting the performance. Dinner will start only at 7:30 p.m. at the cafeteria, which is at a different building. So kindly prepare for that. And also we require all participants to please stay until the end of the performance annual day today and encourage the participants.
Also, a lot of volunteers have put a lot of time and effort in making today happen. So we would request all of you to be courteous to these volunteers. From young children to adults are volunteering today, so please be courteous and listen to them. Performing students should occupy the front rows right next to the stage. So whenever we call out, you are readily available. And if you have any questions, please approach the volunteers or the organizers. Thank you. And once again, I know parents, you're all trying to go backstage to collect your kids, but please come back to your seats and please refrain from standing anywhere in the stairs or in the back. Like Ramya said, we don't want to violate the fire code. Thank you.